Let's get into this. From the Associated Press, a Mississippi civil rights lawyer was arrested Saturday after filming a traffic stop conducted by officers from a police department she is suing in federal court, her attorney says. Jill Collen Jefferson is the president of JULIAN, the civil rights organization that filed a federal lawsuit last year against the Lexington Police Department on behalf of a group of city residents. Michael Carr, Jefferson's attorney, told the Associated Press she was arrested late Saturday evening after she filmed officers after they pulled someone over. We have a picture here of Jefferson to pull up. There's Jefferson. Now, Jefferson was arrested 9 days after Assistant Attorney General Kristen Clark of the US Department of Justice's Civil Rights Division traveled to Lexington to meet with community members about allegations of police brutality in the small town. Jefferson's lawsuit claims police have subjected Lexington residents to false arrests, excessive force, and intimidation. Now, Jefferson's attorney, Michael Carr, issued a statement that reads in part, as an advocate for her clients, Jill Jefferson believes that this pattern and practice has happened to citizens in Lexington. Through this experience, she is showing the state, the area, and possibly the nation, the corrupt practices of this city. So we have some examples here of police brutality in Lexington. So here's a headline from Reason. Lawsuit, police officer broke a 61-year-old woman's leg, then bragged he, quote, man dropped her. Before assaulting her, the cops taunted her for being homeless, she claims. And according to the Lexington Police Department misconduct report, there was more than 12 formal complaints in 2022 filed against Lexington police officers. But of course, they're not the only city in Kentucky that has issues with police brutality. We can look at this headline from March of this year. Louisville police discriminate against black people, United States Justice Department says. So, I mean, here, Ben, we have a story where someone who is a civil rights attorney, who knows her rights and knows that she's allowed to film the police, is the victim of a crime by the police and police brutality herself. I mean, or at least an unfair arrest. I mean, I'm sure the police officers just thought that they were going to abuse their power with a regular black woman and that would be fine. And then it was probably the worst day of their life when they realized not only is she a civil rights lawyer, she's a civil rights lawyer who is currently suing us for police brutality.
Yes, oops on that. For sure, although I really do blame this civil rights lawyer for expecting to be allowed to expose the truth in Kentucky. That seems like she really miscalculated that situation. Move to a different state that's not a backwoods situation in which the police are super corrupt. And I put that wholly on her. I'm kidding.
Yeah, just for anyone who didn't catch on to that, it was a joke.